Welcome to Dreams and Roses. Today we'll be learning how to make donuts, and here are the ingredients that we need. 100 ml of milk, 1 egg, 30 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 25 grams of butter, and 250 grams of flour. Now in no particular order, just put it all in a bowl and mix. When it's all nicely mixed, cover it with cling film and let it sit for about an hour at least. Once it's been an hour, roll out your dough to a centimeter of thickness and cut out your donuts. Let them sit for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's get the oil ready. On a medium-high flame, prepare the oil in a frying pan. Now carefully fry your donuts until golden on both sides, and voila! Your donuts are ready. You can jazz it up with Nutella and sprinklers, or you can have it as it is. I hope you enjoyed that. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, or leave us a comment. Your feedback is super appreciated. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!